AAPOD2 Weekly Showcase, June 8th to the 14th, 2025. Welcome to this week's AAPOD2 Showcase, where we highlight the finest astrophotography from around the world. Each image we feature is a blend of scientific curiosity, technical skill, and hours, often weeks, of dedication. This week's winners span June 8th through June 14th, 2025. If you enjoy content that celebrates both the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to support the astrophotography community. June 8, 2025, Galactic Drama in Coma Berenices. This deep space composition by Pascal Garot, taken remotely from Alentejo Remote Observatory in Portugal, showcases the galaxies NGC 4725 and NGC 4747. NGC 4725 is a barred spiral galaxy exhibiting a single asymmetric arm, an unusual feature possibly caused by its gravitational interaction with the dwarf galaxy NGC 4747. The image, built from over 36 hours of LRGB and narrowband exposures, reveals delicate tidal streams and core starburst activity, making it a superb example of galactic dynamics in action. June 9, 2025, Markarian's Chain, Depth and Connection. This image of Markarian's chain represents an incredible 660 hours of integration time, 322 hours for hydrogen alpha and 338 for LRGB. Captured by overall photons, it reveals faint galactic halos and the elusive hydrogen bridges connecting galaxies in the Virgo cluster. Few amateur images reach this level of depth, resolving low-surface brightness structures like intra-cluster light and ghostly arcs that trace a long history of gravitational interaction. June 10, 2025, Unclassified Bubble in Vela. Captured by Alexandra de la Rue and Patrick Della, this narrowband image shows a mysterious, unclassified emission bubble in the Vela constellation. Its glowing filaments are rich in oxygen-3 and hydrogen alpha emission, yet no progenitor star is visible. This suggests a fading remnant or complex shock front expanding into the interstellar medium. Long exposure and careful filter work were essential to isolating its structure from the surrounding starfield. June 11, 2025, Barnard's Galaxy, NGC 6822 imaged by Daniel Stern. This wide-field view of Barnard's Galaxy, also known as NGC 6822, shows the irregular chaos of this local grouped dwarf galaxy. Bright hydrogen alpha regions stand out against a scattering of young and old stellar populations. Located 1.6 million light-years away in Sagittarius, the galaxy's isolated structure makes it ideal for studying early star formation and galactic evolution. This image carefully balances broadband and narrowband elements for a complete portrait. June 12, 2025, The Squid and the Seahorse, Cepheus. From the Atlas Mountains of Morocco, Julian de Winter brings us this spectacular 57-hour mosaic featuring U4, the Squid Nebula, and Barnard 150, the Seahorse Nebula. U4 is a faint bipolar outflow that emits almost entirely in oxygen-3, while Barnard 150 is a dense, light-blocking dark nebula composed of interstellar dust. The image beautifully juxtaposes a glowing outflow with a cold absorption region in a complex, wide-angle field. June 13, 2025, NGC 6302, the Butterfly Nebula. Mike Selby presents this high-resolution image of the Butterfly Nebula, NGC 6302, a planetary nebula located around 3,800 light-years away in Scorpius. This bipolar structure formed from the ejected outer layers of a dying star, and the image captures its high-velocity jets, sulfur-rich lobes, and optically thick torus with remarkable clarity. With 52 hours of exposure across H-alpha, O3, luminance, and RGB channels, the final composite resolves both inner filaments and outer halos. June 14, 2025, NGC 2685, the Helix Galaxy. Closing the week, we feature Stefan Troon's image of NGC 2685, a rare polar ring galaxy located 42 million light-years away in Ursa Major. Sometimes called the Helix Galaxy, it features a tilted ring of gas, dust, and stars, likely the result of a galactic merger. This 30-hour LRGB and H-alpha image reveals both the central lenticular disk and the extended dusty ring, with background galactic cirrus adding extra context and depth to the frame. Thanks for watching the AAPOD2 weekly showcase. If you appreciate the scientific effort and imaging excellence on display, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. We'll be back next week with another collection of deep sky highlights. Until then, clear skies, and keep looking up.